Hi, I'm Dr. Rajibdhar and I'm here to talk to you about the certification program in Human Resource Management and Analytics by CEC IIT Roorkee in association with Imarticus Learning. This program is designed to provide you with the skills and knowledge you need to become a successful HR professional in today's data-driven world. In this program, you will learn about the fundamentals of human resource management such as job analysis, recruitment and selection, training and development, and other topics. How to use data and analytics to improve HR decision making. How to create a positive and productive work environment. How to manage diversity and inclusion in the workplace, and much more. There are many reasons why you should do this program. Here are just a few. Experienced faculty from IIT Roorkee, one of the India's top B schools. Industry relevant program that covers the latest trends in HR management. Online program with IIT Roorkee campus immersion. IIT Roorkee executive alumni status. 3+ trending tools, 8+ case studies and real world projects. Industry recognized HRM and a certification from CEC IIT Roorkee. This program is for anyone who is interested in a career in human resources. Whether you are just starting or you are looking to advance your career, this program can help you get the skills and knowledge you need to succeed. To apply for the program, visit our official partner Imarticus Learning's website. Take your career in human resources to the next level today. The CEC IIT Roorkee certification program in Human Resource Management and Analytics in association with Imarticus Learning is the perfect program for you. So enroll today.